What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, I will explain you how you can deal with the errors which are difficult for you. So let me just give you an example. Let's say x equals to 4, y equals to 0, and let's say print x divided by y. Save it, print it. You will get an error and you don't know what is this. Let's assume that you don't know what is this zero division error. Let me tell you that if you are not familiar with this, with the maths, with the basic math, and I hope you are familiar with it, and but in case you are not familiar with it, let me tell you that you cannot divide any number by zero. That's why we are getting this error. So how can we solve that? For that, we should do copy the error, go to Google, and the first website which you will get is Stack Overflow. It has the solution for many of the errors. So I highly recommend you to visit this site. If you go here, you will get the solution for the error which you are facing. As you can see, zero division error. Uh, this answer is of 32 hours and the second one is 44 hours, and it also have a rating. What this rating means that it is the best answer for this question. So guys, it has given us the three solutions. We can also use if else statement. We can also use try except. We can also use this equals again. But I highly recommend you to use this try except. Let's use that. Let's say try z equals to x divided by y except z equals to 0. It is the same as what I'm saying is the same as a if else statement. Sorry, I I am feeling sleepy. That's why I'm getting confused. So it is same as if else, but it has some more functionality. I can put stop involved. If I run this error, we will not get anything because we have put the exception here. But if I put here, in case of exception, I want to print some message. Let's say you can divide a number with 0 and run the program. You get the message here, and you may also know that people can write any other number also which can give us an error. Let's say people can also add string. Let me show you that. Let's say people add here LNA, and if I run this ad, we will still get the error, which is not a good error. It is just like a bug. So how can we fix that? We can specify the error which we don't want to face. In our case, it is a zero division error. So what we can do is after this accept, we can write the name of the error. Here you can see it is getting colored. And if I save this out and run the script, it will give us an error. So what that exactly is, you cannot divide a number int by string. That's why we are getting this error. So guys, how can you fix that? How can you fix that? For that, we can again use the exception. Let's say want to print it, you want that if we get this type error, let me just ey. If we get this type error, z equals to, let's say if z equals to string, then we will print you can't divide int with string. And if I save this and let me clear this out and let me just run this program, you will get that you cannot divide int with string. And if I put here, let's say 0, you cannot divide a number with 0, and at last, let's say you divide by 2, and don't stop divide. What the hell? Okay, we have not saved it, that's why we are getting that. Sorry for that. Python don't stop divide. Okay, does anyone know why we are getting this? Why we are not getting the answer? Yes, we have not printed it. And if I print this and save it, again run this, you will get the answer here. So guys, that's all for this tutorial. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.